In this tutorial we will learn how to install Prometheus on your local machine. First step is to download Prometheus. Open your web browser. Type Prometheus download in Google. Navigate to the Prometheus download page. Choose the appropriate version of Prometheus for your operating system. Click the download link to initiate the download. Once download is complete, we perform step 2, which is extracting files from downloaded TGZ. Open the terminal or command prompt. Create a directory to store Prometheus-related files and get into it. For example, Prometheus Workspace. Move the downloaded Prometheus TGZ file into the current Prometheus directory. Extract the files from the Prometheus archive. Move into the extracted Prometheus directory. We can see Prometheus binary along with default prometheus.yml configuration file. Now we will start the Prometheus using default configuration file. If you encounter an error message stating that Prometheus cannot be opened because the developer cannot be verified, you can resolve this issue by following these steps. 1. Navigate to your system settings. 2. Go to Privacy and Security. 3. In the Security and Privacy settings, you will see a notification stating that Prometheus was blocked. Click Allow Anyway to grant permission. After allowing Prometheus to run, retry opening and running Prometheus. We can see logs stating that Prometheus server is started. Now we will open the Prometheus web user interface in browser. Open a web browser. In the address bar, type localhost 9090. We can see the Prometheus web UI, where we can start querying and visualizing metrics. To stop the running Prometheus process, go back to the terminal where Prometheus is running and press Ctrl+C. This will gracefully terminate the Prometheus server. You've successfully installed Prometheus on your local machine, and now you can use it to monitor and analyze metrics from various sources. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more content.